Here are 50 simple, I am, action verbs you can use to describe what you're doing, feeling. I am leading. I am running. I am walking. I am eating. I am drinking. I am sleeping. I am reading. I am writing. I am talking. I am listening. I am working. I am studying. I am playing. I am cooking. I am cleaning. I am driving. I am swimming. I am laughing. I am smiling. I am crying. I am thinking. I am dreaming. I am helping. I am teaching. I am learning. I am building. I am drawing. I am painting. I am growing. I am creating. I am fixing. I am shopping. I am traveling. I am waiting. I am resting. I am exercising. I am dancing. I am singing. I am meditating. I am planning. I am relaxing. I am watching. I am learning. I am trying. Changing.